Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to view Amazon browsing history. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're looking for your Amazon browsing history, then first open up your web browser and go to Amazon.com. After that, sign into your account and you will on this page. Once you are here, you'll need to go to your account drop-down menu. Scroll down about halfway and you should see an option labeled Browsing History. If the option isn't visible in your account dropdown, you might need to visit Amazon's customer support and search their help database for browsing history. Typically, you'll find a support article that includes a direct link to the correct page. Once you're on the browsing history page, you'll have several options. You can remove individual items you've viewed by clicking the small Remove button next to each product. If you want to clear everything, there's an option in the top right corner to remove all items at once. You can also pause your browsing history, which stops Amazon from tracking the items you view from that point forward. Additionally, under More Settings, there's an option to turn off browsing history altogether. When this is disabled, any products you view won't appear in your history, and your recent searches won't be saved in the search bar. However, turning off this feature may result in less personalized product recommendations. And that's it. So that's basically how you can view Amazon browsing history. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.